Oh, didn't see you there. Today we are going to be making a Christmas cake. Here's everything you need. No, not the egg. We're going to start off by putting the cake mix in there and adding all the ingredients that are on the box. If I can open the box with these nails. You got it, girl. So just follow the box and you'll be good for the first half. Now here's how not to crack an egg. See all the shells in there? So here's me looking for the shell, and I tried. I couldn't find it. No one ever died from eating a shell, right? We'll find out. Now here's when you add your jello to make it extra smooth and good. Then cook it like how it says on the box. Now I have to wash these dishes. Not fun at all. Fingernail came off! No, it just popped off, like on the side. Gotta destroy this candy cane, like how Corona destroyed my ear. It's okay. Just destroy this candy cane. As you should. This is my crumb coat. I'm going to do a few layers of this frosting, but I don't know how this is going to turn out, to be honest. Wait. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells time. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. This is it so far. Now I'm just trying to put like layers on it to make it look cuter, but I don't have one of those scrapey things to make it smooth, so this is how it is. Now I'm just putting some candy canes around it because I'm just trying to make it look cute, and I did those little drip things. They look okay. Okay, but to be honest, she could look worse. She looks decent. It's good.